Today we're going to give you a few tips to help you take better lifestyle photos. And thanks to Avocado for sponsoring this video.
When creating lifestyle photos, you need to tell or sell a story. In order to do this, you should add thoughtful details to your images that give helpful information to viewers. To evoke the feeling of a quiet morning at home, add comfy PJs, breakfast in bed, your favorite records, journaling supplies, or cozy knitting materials. Don't just add details that look aesthetically pleasing if they don't help tell a specific story. For example, we see details like these added to lifestyle photos all the time, but together they are disjointed and create confusion for viewers. So get your passport out of there, buddy.
We've talked about this before, but it's worth repeating because lighting is everything. Pull your scene close to a window and make sure your subject is being lit from a side angle to create shadows and dimension. If you shoot with the light behind you, the image feels flat and the colors get muddy. Yikers.
You often see quote-unquote influencer lifestyle images shot straight on or at a 45-degree angle, but without the use of a drone, bird's eye lifestyle images aren't as common and are therefore more eye-catching. If you're bored by your shots, try taking them to a new level literally.
Lifestyle photos aim to create a perfect fantasy world, and in order to sell this fantasy, you're going to want to keep your lines straight. Slanted lines can create a subliminal feeling of chaos, so try to get your lines straight in camera or fix that ish in post. Dear Diary, I've been removing toxins from my diet and feeling really good about myself for that, and then realized that my mattress, the thing that me and my family spend a third of our lives sleeping on, is chock full of toxins, and that blows. So I did my research. Seriously, I Googled forever, and finally found a green mattress made with natural and organic materials from sustainable sources that is actually affordable. It's GreenGuard Gold certified by UL Environment to meet the most rigorous emission standards for chemical exposure and pollutants. It's non-toxic and safe. It's free from petroleum-based polyurethane foams and chemical flame retardants. It's handmade in my own state and is recyclable and biodegradable. And it's got all the selling features you'd hope a delivery mattress would have, like a 100-night sleep trial, free shipping and free pickups, and a 25-year warranty. Recap.
We hope these tips help you next time you're out taking photos, and use the hashtag MangoStreetLifestyle when you post to Instagram so we can take a look. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when we post a video, and we'll be back next week with a new one.